Welcome to this video in which we will learn how to design this wheel in SOLIDWORKS. I have designed this wheel for this trolley and I will provide the link of this video in the description. In our upcoming videos, we will assemble the wheel with the trolley. So first, click on File and open a part file here. Click OK and then select this front plane. Click on Sketch option. Select the circle and make a circle at this very origin. Then select Smart Dimensioning tool, and now we have to specify the diameter of this circle. So the diameter of this circle is 200 millimeter. We have to go to features, select extruded boss base here, and here we need to select the thin features. So select this thin features. 10 mm is fine. And now what we have to define the length of extrusion. So it's 25 millimeter. That's fine. Okay, so um, we need to edit something. So select here mid plane actually. So a mid plane will be perfect rather than blind. And you can define any appearance or any color here. It's optional. So I'm defining this color. This is totally optional. It's up to you. If you want to define it, then do it. Okay, then select this front plane, click on sketch, and now we have to make another circle. So make a circle at this very origin. Make sure to make the circle at this origin point. Okay, select the smart dimensioning tool and specify the diameter of this circle. Specifying as 25 millimeter. You can specify according to your needs and requirements. Now go to features and select extruded boss base, and here select this thin feature, and 10 mm is fine for me. And the length of extrusion is 50, and select here mid plane, because in previous we have select this mid plane, and here you can see the effect of this mid plane. Okay, now check this box and it's fine. Now we have to make a reference axis. Okay, so go to this reference geometry and may select this plane, and here we need to specify the right plane, this plane. Okay, and the distance of this plane should be 60 mm. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to make a sketch on this plane. So select this plane and click on sketch option, and now we are going to make a circle here. So make a circle at this very origin. Specify the diameter of this circle. I'm specifying here 12 because it's fine for my case. Go to features, and what I am going to do, select extruded boss base, and here in direction 1 window you need to specify up to next, and also in direction 2 you need to specify up to next, and it will be extruded properly like this. Okay, and now you can hide this plane because there is no use of it. We need to select this circulate pattern command because we are going to make a pattern of these shaft. So this is the direction, and here we need to specify the number of the number of shafts or the number of supports. Specify here bodies because we need bodies to pattern, and here you can see this is the pattern when you check this, and here we have the wheel. So if you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.